Uğur Şahin and Özlem Türeci made history by developing the BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. Now they are returning to their previous work, finding a cure for cancer. BioNTech is working to develop a new cancer treatment using the same mRNA technology that was used to develop the COVID-19 vaccine. Şahin, who was in Washington, D.C. for a scientific panel on cancer treatment, intends to break new ground by merging mRNA with CAR T-cell therapy, normally used to treat blood malignancies. Their goal is to merge these two technologies and create a cancer treatment that targets solid tumors.
So there is not yet great evidence that CAR T-cells work in solid tumors, but we believe that the combination of the right target, plus the vaccine could help to overcome this limitation.
The CAR T treatment entails removing T cells from patients, genetically modifying them to target cancer, and then reintroducing them into the patient's body to attack the tumor. Şahin says he's after Claudin-6 protein. His research is currently underway to combine CAR T-cell therapy with a vaccination to increase the body's ability to produce CAR T-cells and increase the amount of time they can fight cancer in the body.
The Claudin-6 is on tumor cells, and we have on the T-cells a receptor, a CAR T-cell receptor which recognizes Claudin-6. If these CAR T-cells are infused, they recognize and kill tumor cells, but at a certain time they stop to grow.
The problem that may arise in CAR T-cell therapy is toxicity. Medical experts say it can cause cytokine release syndrome with severe inflammation and brain swelling and can be fatal. In healthy cells, the absence of the Claudin-6 protein targeted in BioNTech's therapy appears to minimize this risk, say researchers.
We have seen from our study, it's still early, that this type of treatment appears to be safe, and we see clinical activity in some patients with shrinking tumors, which is exciting.
Şahin says the goal isn't just to shrink the tumor, it's also to make sure it doesn't come back. Although Şahin doesn't specify the precise number of patients in the study, but says the number is between 20 to 25. Their patient selection depends on whether the target Claudin-6 is expressed on tumor cells.
This is testicular cancer, this is ovarian cancer, these are patients with endometrial cancer, uterine cancer. We are also including patients with sarcomas, soft tissue sarcomas, and we had also a patient with a rare breast cancer type, but these are less frequent.
At the annual meetings of the Society for Immunotherapy of Cancer in Washington, D.C., Uğur Şahin presented some very early data from clinical studies. According to Şahin, the treatment typically takes 3 to 4 years to reach the market. While previous CAR T-cell treatments in the United States cost roughly $400,000, it's difficult to predict how much BioNTech's treatment will cost if it's approved in the future. Dilge Timoçin, VOA News, Washington.